So I decided to make a cake for a Valentine's Day party that I was invited last month. I know it's been a month late, but still, we can still learn from the techniques I use in this cake. So I started by baking my 3 cakes, and these cakes were baked in 5 inches cake pans. The flavor of this cake was Oreos and cream, which I loved. It was really tasty. And then once the cakes were completely cool, they were ready to be iced and decorated. Right here, I am already adding the filling, and this filling was also cookies and creams. I added 2 layers of that filling, and then I started by doing the crown coating. I know some people skip this step and they just go straight to the final coat of icing, but for me, I'm still learning and I'm still believe that I need my crown coating. So here I am, I'm crown coating my cake, and then once I finish the coat, I placed it in the fridge for about an hour or so, and then this is my final coat of icing. Not sure if I mentioned, but this cake was iced with butter ganache, and to be honest, this is my second time using this technique for a cake. It is a little challenging because I thought that it was all simple buttercream, but no, it's not. I believe that I had to be really quick to make sure that the chocolate didn't become hard when I was icing. So a lot of the times I was very slow and it didn't allow me to smooth out the cake. So here you are, you can see it's not completely smooth, but I was happy with the final result, and most of all, I was happy that I got to learn another technique. So yes, the fun part. So here I am using a ruffle tip that I bought from Amazon, I believe. So they came in different shapes, and I like this one for this cake. And then I'm using tip number 4B to make the shells around the cake. And then again, I am using the same ruffle tip that I used for the bottom to use it on the top. And the same, I'm using 4B for the shells on the top. This one right here is tip number 18. Have you ever heard the saying, cake decorators don't make mistakes, we cover them? Well, this is the reason why. So I started doing some hearts, freehanding hearts, and yes, I made a mistake. I didn't like them. So I was like, okay, well, it's red. Red is going to stain my icing. So I decided to get a cookie cutter and just trace the heart. And then right here, I'm using tip number 3 to cover the whole thing. And look at this, beautiful. Oh, I love it. And then to finalize these cakes, I grabbed these little bows and I just placed them around, and that was my final cake. If you have any questions, suggestions, or just want to say hi, leave a comment below, like and share my video. Thank you for watching.